Most people get this wrong. They think all pharmacies are the same. But the surprising truth about Costco Pharmacy is that it combines low prices with convenience for both members and non-members in some locations. Costco Pharmacy offers competitive pricing on prescription medications. Many generic medications cost significantly less than at other major chains. For example, a 30-day supply of common generics can sometimes be 50% cheaper than traditional pharmacies. They also offer certain vaccinations at reasonable prices, including flu shots and travel vaccines. The service is efficient. You can fill prescriptions in store or order refills online, and their app allows you to manage multiple prescriptions in one place. For people with chronic conditions, Costco offers automatic refill programs, which reduces the risk of missing a dose. A unique advantage is that you don't need a Costco membership to use the pharmacy in most states. This makes it accessible to everyone, not just members. However, to access some discounts on over-the-counter items or combined promotions, membership may be required. One downside is that wait times can vary depending on location and time of day, especially during peak flu season. Additionally, while Costco stocks a wide range of medications, some specialty drugs may need to be ordered, which could take a few days. In conclusion, Costco Pharmacy is a strong choice for anyone looking for cost-effective prescriptions, reliable service, and convenient online management. It's especially valuable for people seeking generic medications at lower prices without sacrificing quality. Subscribe for more honest pharmacy and health service reviews to help you make smarter healthcare choices.